Alright, I know what you're thinking. It might feel too early to talk about what's next, but hear me out. If Samsung isn't bringing exciting updates every year, it might just be worth holding off until the next lineup drops. And trust me, the changes rumored for the Galaxy S26 series might make you rethink whether to grab the S25 or wait for the S26. Let's dive into two major upgrades that could make the S26 lineup a game changer. First of all, the camera upgrades that actually matter. Samsung has been dragging its feet when it comes to camera hardware upgrades, but things are looking up. Rumor has it they're testing a 200-megapixel ISOCELL telephoto camera with a 1:5 sensor for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Why does this matter? Well, the current S25 Ultra already packs a solid camera setup: a 200-megapixel primary, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel telephoto, 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope, 5x optical zoom. But introducing a 200-megapixel telephoto lens could take Samsung's zoom game to a whole new level. Sure, they won't be the first to do this. Phones like the Vivo X100 Ultra and Honor Magic 7 Pro already use 200-megapixel telephoto cameras. But Samsung stepping up means they're finally taking competition seriously, especially against Chinese brands. Now, the dream setup for the S26 Ultra could look like this: 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel telephoto, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto. If they pull it off, we're talking sharper details, better optical crops, and one of the most versatile camera systems out there. Right now, it's still in early stages, but fingers crossed they make it happen by launch. And finally, the battery life that actually lasts. Let's be honest, the Galaxy S25's battery life doesn't sound like it's breaking any records. Reports suggest it'll have the same capacities as last year's models, so don't expect major improvements there. But the S26 lineup, now that's where things get interesting. Leaks suggest Samsung might switch to silicon-carbon batteries, which are already making waves in phones like the OnePlus 13 and Xiaomi 15 Pro. Here's what that could mean for the S26 lineup. Galaxy S26 will have around 4400 to 4600, Galaxy S26 Plus will have around 5390 to 5635, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra around 5500 to 5750 mAh battery. That's a solid 10 to 15% bump, which could mean way longer battery life between charges. Perfect for power users who hate reaching for the charger halfway through the day. Of course, these are still just early rumors, so don't take them as gospel just yet. Plus, there's always the chance that software optimizations in the S25 series could improve battery life even without a capacity boost. So, what do you think? Are these potential upgrades enough to make you hold off for the S26? Or are you ready to grab the S25 when it drops? Let us know in the comments, and as always, stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.